everyone, welcome back to Let's Unbound. My name is Kanu, and in today's video, we will be talking about different parts of speech. Now, while I'm sharing my screen, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as we will be uploading many such videos, and so that you don't miss on any of them. Yeah. So, well, parts of speech are basically the building blocks of any sentence. Let's look at different parts of speech. First comes up noun. So it is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea, like dog, city, book, love. Okay. If we see it in a sentence, the dog chased its tail in circles, right? Next comes verb. So it is a word that describes an action, occurrence, or state of being, like run, eat, sleep, is. For an instance, she loves to run every morning. Okay. Next comes adjective. It is a word that modifies or describes a noun or a pronoun, like beautiful, tall, delicious, happy. For an instance, the sunset painted a beautiful scene across the sky. Next comes adverb. So it is a word that modifies or describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb, like quickly, very, well, gently. For an instance, he ran quickly to catch the bus. Okay, next comes pronoun. So it is a word that is used in place of a noun to avoid repetition, like he, she, they, it. For an instance, John said he would be here soon. Okay? Preposition is a word that shows a relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word, like in, between. Okay? For an instance, the book is in the drawer. Next comes is conjunction. It is a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses, like and, but, or, so. For an instance, Sarah likes to read and write. And the last one is interjection. It is a word or phrase that is used to express strong emotion, like wow, oh no, yay, oops. Let's see the example. Yikes, I accidentally spilled coffee on my laptop. Okay. So since we have talked about all the parts of speech, let's look at, a few questions. Here it is. So which word is not a verb here? Let's look at the option. So it is jump, song, run, write. So since jump, run, and write is telling us that there is an action going on by the doer. So these are the verbs, but the word song is not a verb since it is not an action done by the doer. Next comes which word is not a preposition. Okay, so let's look at the option: in, at, over, put. So as we've already talked about what are prepositions, we can clearly see that put is the word that is not a preposition, right? Next comes which word is not an adverb. Let's look at the options here: slowly, careful, easily, fast. Now, because slowly, easily, and fast are modifying the verb, they are adverb, but the word careful is not an adverb here. Okay. Okay. Next comes which word is not a noun. Now we've already spoken about what is a noun. So I want you to answer this one in the comment section below. Options are apple, book, cat, and sea. Okay. So do let me know what is the answer for this one. And that's it for today's video. I'm going to be seeing you in the next video with a new topic. And I hope that you enjoyed this one. Okay, so take care of yourselves. Bye bye.